I got a little project I did here with an Arduino Uno, and this is a simple project. Normally this has 13 digital pins. I am using pins 2 through 10 to drive some LEDs. Pin 11 is a switch. And I'm using 3 of those pins to drive a 10 position LED block with a 8-bit shift registry. I'm using 1 pin to drive a decade counter, which will just give me marching LEDs. I have no idea what these are used for, but this is actually 4 separate LEDs, and I got a really interesting effect that you'll see where I can make the intensity move left to right, left to right, left to right. And because I've chained them together, I'm only using 2 pins. And then I got an RGB LED that is running off of 3 pins, and then there's 1 pin being tied up with the switch that will just be used to change modes. So when I fire this up, everything will start to power on. You'll see the RGB cycle through its colors. In mode 1, I have a decade clock. I have a binary clock going. I can put that into chase mode. I can reverse the chase mode, or I can just have it go random. There's forward chase and backwards chase. Okay, here is the second. This is just going to be a left to right marching of lights. There's that little block with the effect going left to right, left to right. Cover up the RGB so you can see it. Okay, there's the RGB in random mode. The RGB in dim mode. Random mode with really bright was using full range values. This is just half range. And then here I'm just cycling up through a bunch of values. And then I just have this button set to shift between the modes. And this is all being driven by about 250 lines of code. And there's no delays written in the code. It's just cycling through, and everything is working on its own rates. You can see the 2 marching bars are actually at different rates. This was more an experiment project so that I could see what I could do to drive multiple lights. I'm going to put in some scale models at different rates.